I mean, is that good? Like, man, there's not sufficient disk space to continue recording. And I have to change my save location on my computer. This is ridiculous. Okay. I mean, that's still not even like fully focused, but I suppose it's acceptable because it's not focusing to an absolute. Oh, okay. Yeah, so good enough focus. Now I need to change the save location so that I can continue recording. Come on. General. Check, check. Sound quality, check. No, no sound. Come on. What do I have to change? It's on my display. It's just the delay. Okay. Yeah, it's decent. Very well. Okay, I'm not finding where to change the save location. It shouldn't be that difficult. Non save changes, save changes, no. Should not be difficult. I guess it is that difficult. What? Check? Check what? Um, Unbelievable, unbelievable. Virtual camera settings. Not finding it in the settings. Output, coder. Sound check is good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. See, I like how it's even looking at you. That's cool. Totally meant to do that. Well, then I can't record. I don't want to do it if I can't. I don't want to continue forward if I can't record. But I guess we're going to have to. Alright, whatever. Alright, let's continue forward with placing these components. I already have them here on the breadboard, as you can see. Now we're going to transfer them over to the PCB, and we're going to solder it, make it permanent. Alright. Although I'm going to leave the power circuit intact. We're not going to mess with him. He's going to remain on the PCB, and then we'll input through these leads right here. You heard? Alright. So now working from the base to ground, we have these 3 resistors. Wait, yeah, it's the base to ground? Yeah. Yeah. Right, we could just kind of work them backwards. Yeah, well, in place, and I'll leave this. Whoops, not there. Oh shit, I'm moving it. Can't move it. Is that gonna be good? Is it still focused? Yeah. Mm. Oh shit, I'm messing it up. Yeah, I'm getting crazy with it. I gotta chill. How's the quality look? Are you still in here? How's the quality? Are you on 1080p settings? I can't get this to focus very well. I still don't like it. It's like it's good enough, but it's not. I don't want to settle for good enough. I want it to be perfect. Shit, I keep moving it, man. Okay. Thank you. I keep moving it now, but I know. I can see it too. I just don't know what to do. It's cooked. It's absolutely cooked. I don't know what to do. Alright. And I'm not recording, so this is just crazy. I don't know how to change where it saves. Should be so simple. Should be so simple. Alright, I don't like this layout. I gotta fix this. Alright, let's move over here to kind of fix this orientation. I need to get everything in here good. Yeah, I'm just working everything and then pushing back the terminals so that it kind of stays in place, and then I can solder it much easier. I also got to keep everything in good separation. I don't want two terminals touching each other. It's just going to clutter the PCB. This one's so messed up. Okay, and he was from here to here. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, let's move back over here. And we'll solder this shit first, and then we'll solder the other shit. We'll add the other shit and solder it. Maybe I should do like one at a time, though. I think it's a solid background behind to help focus. I mean, that's just like kind of impractical. No, the camera should focus. It should just do its job. It's just being a piece right now. It's just being a big piece, that's all. Alright, let's turn this bit up. We're gonna get up to 30. Let's do 730 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, I believe that's Fahrenheit units. Anyways, we're gonna get up there and we're gonna solder this no lead solder, okay? We're not gonna use any of the PV. Alright, let's do it. I got a wet rag here to kind of wipe off and clean off the carbon and shit, or well, whatever's remainder left after it. Type. Just the. I don't know. This focus is unacceptable. Okay, that's what's happening. Okay. Let's see. That's too much. That's too thick of a glob. It's gonna get dirty. Just a little bit. You just need a little bit on the tip to get it warm. The liquid does a much better job of heat transfer. Like that, and feed it. Can we see those balls forming on there? Not really, man. I mean a little bit, but like, could be so much better. The quality is upsetting. And like, I need to sit up straight more, perhaps, if you could see more of me. But also, I need to see that too. So it's a little difficult. Can't speak. Okay, cool. Wait, let me go back a little bit. Let me see how that looked again. That was a clean, yeah, these are a couple clean solders. Cool, I still got it. It's been a minute since I've soldered. Is that quality good enough? I mean, geez, is that acceptable? Really? I guess, alright. That was kind of a lot. Shit, see, I messed that up. I didn't get all of it. Okay, that was good. Damn it. Nah, this thing's too unstable also. It's gonna really piss me off. The... Oh. I'm an idiot. Alright, get this arm on this side and then we'll have a little more support. Perhaps. That doesn't seem like it's gonna do much for me. Seems like it's actually gonna be worse if I did him over here. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. I got that covered up again. Kinda. There. That's kind of cool, right? Is that a good shot? That looks alright. Cool. Alright, well, welcome to the stream. Doing some soldering, you know, extreme sports. Soldering with no ventilation, extreme sports. And we're soldering our homemade oscillator, right? Colpitts oscillator configuration using a common emitter amplifier. I got a 2N3904 as my amplifying element, our active element in this circuit. It's pretty sick. Oh shit, what am I doing? Just about lost that one. What the heck? Nah, this is beautiful. I feel like I could have used a little bit more on this guy. That's better. Alright, cool. It's looking really good. Let's move on. Come on, get on there. Really? That's way too much. That's a big lob. It's kind of a lot. It's good though. It'll be good enough. No, it is too much. I don't like it. I don't like it because if it gets dirty, it's gonna be hard to clean. Ah. Oh, this quality is worse. Just trying to see like where's perfect focus, but I don't know, it all looks the same. Dang. That one was really bad. I don't think it's not even there. Why is that being like that? Huh. Oh, okay, I guess it is kind of there. Yeah, that was pretty messed up. Let's go. This is lead-free solder, by the way, so, like, don't worry about me. I'll be good. Lead-free solder. That was a good one. I don't know what happened with that other one up there. I think it was the PCB, not me. Oops, that was... Oh, shit. I'm all over the place. Yeah, sure. That's good. Oh, shit. Cool, that's good. Man, I wish you could see this in, like, real high definition. It looks so cool. Feed it a little more. That wasn't very good. That's not enough. Fucking slippery. Damn, that was too much. Well, you're just a pain in the ass, aren't you? That's been too long. Too old. Yeah. Just a little bit, not a lot. Cool. Fuck, see, I knew that was gonna happen too. I welded two wires together because they're freaking touching. I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. It'll be alright. They're separated now. Knew that was gonna happen. Too much. Really, I had to move it. I had to touch it. Nah. Not gonna happen. There we go. Yeah. Okay, and just... Is that the last guy? I think one more guy. Right here. Oh, no, yeah. I think that's the last one. Yeah, that's good. That's plenty. Alright. Let's pull him back over here and see how he looks. Let's see if I can get a good view of him on the camera. Wow, my cameras suck. My cameras suck. I need new cameras or something. I really can't even get this to focus for me one time. Like, why does it do that? Why does it focus for one moment and then stop? How is it still focused on the background if this thing is taking up literally all of my freaking... It's taking up my entire screen. That's the thing though, I shouldn't have to do that. I shouldn't have to do that, no. Like, I'm not going to be subjected to this. The camera should focus. No, I'm not going to do that. Shouldn't be such a shitty camera. Cool, I got it. Yeah, okay. Alright, moving forward. Yeah, forget that. Actually, let's keep that up. I'm gonna keep that on for now. Alright, let's check that we got all the leads. It looks like they are all soldered. Oh, he's not. Shit, I forgot one. We'll get him. Okay. All right, got our pretty much what, our entire resistor network? No, yeah, for a base, right? Okay. And our transistor there. Kind of pulled him out too much, but it's good. Still got a good visual. Here we go again. Let's go again. Another attempt. It does it for just a moment, and then it doesn't do it no more. Whatever. I mean, you be upset too. You know, it's for your benefit, so you could get a better view of the circuit. So it's all for your benefit. So you be mad. I'm not even gonna be mad about it. Okay, and Kick won't work with the VPN on. Are you kidding me? I have to always reset it and then it works, but whatever. Okay. Let's come back here. Okay, so now let's work on the emitter network. All of those which connect to the emitter. This goes straight to ground. Emitter to ground, which we could go from... yeah, we should go to that side and then connect those two. Yeah, that would... But they shouldn't connect. Yeah, they should connect like that. Okay, I got an idea. Let me think. I want that, but that's... Yeah, that's all there, straight to ground. between there and the base. So yeah, I want to make sure that the feedback network is close to the collector base. Okay, I want it to be, oh, you're mad? Yeah, should be. It should be furious, like absolutely livid. You know what I mean? Just want you to have high quality circuit, HD 4K, but I guess, you know, that's why I have to study the technology in order to make it better, because right now, it's some absolute shit. No, I'm just kidding. Obviously, there's better things out there. I just have to invest. But also, I need some more viewers before I can invest. Not necessarily. I'll invest regardless, because I just want to document my builds. I just wanted to document my progress, okay? Because how cool we can document it and upload it to the internet. I mean, everything. It's like history. It's like my autobiography. You know what I mean? What is that? Oh, cat in a box. Cool. Okay. I don't know. It's looking pretty shitty. I got too much light on it too. I'm disgusted. I'm disgusted by the focus. I'm disgusted by the quality of this focus. I mean, I don't think there's any way of fixing it. Maybe like, wait, let me try this. Let me try something. Configure. Let's see how this looks. Is that any better? It's like the same shit, right? Let's see how this looks. Nope. I still don't like it. Man, I just want to solder the circuit, you know what I mean? But I still don't like it. Oh, shit. Alright, I guess that's the best we got. Unbelievable. It's the best you got. Okay. that goes there. Ooh, how are we going to do this? Ooh, okay. Ooh, does he fit in there? Yeah, let's move over here. It's got a better view of things. Oh yeah, that fits nicely. And that's going to work really well. Right there, right there. We'll just have to have some jumper cables. That'll be good. Okay, right here. Oops, jeez. There we go. Cool. Alright, these two. Okay. We got him, potentiometer. And, oh, wait. Oh, that's fine. That's fine. We can jump there to there, and I guess there to there. It's not a huge not a huge deal. But that's our output. That's our output. Yeah, which is going to go to there, into ground. So it could be like that, there to there. Okay. Okay. Now him to ground. Which came from, yeah, him, the output. And, oh, is he in the right spot? That's negative. Yeah, that's the end of it. Yeah, that's the input word. Okay. So he's like all the way across there, but I suppose that's okay. That's fine. And then bang, he's gonna go right here, straight to ground. No, that's really good. I like it. Okay. Perfect. And that was our emitter network. We also have, wait, oh, that was the end of it? And then we got him. Yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, 470 plus, I think, 22. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, and there's that. Okay. Now this is to our collector from the input. Okay. So I guess it could be as simple as, well, we could stretch it all the way. Actually, pretty sure we could stretch it all the way. Let's try that. Alright, yeah, we're gonna try to stretch it all the way from the input, the power supply input, to the collector, the transistor. Oh yeah, that works perfectly. And we still have plenty of room to spare. Get it as close as possible, why not? All that wire hanging. Maybe not though, actually. Maybe that looks more like shit. Should go less. Do a little less on each side and center it up. I'm also trying to look, I'm looking for aesthetic also. I don't want it to look bad. Aesthetically pleasing engineering. It's always much better. Engineering is an art. Okay. Still not wire hanging out. I mean, it's fine, right? I'm not a super huge fan of it. I'm just trying to think, but I could save a whole nother section, you know, to put some other stuff on here, so why take it up? What are my thoughts? Yeah, it's gonna have to work. Shorten it up just a little bit right here. Nah, I like it. I log it a lot. Okay. And there's that. Yep, that was that. And let's get some more. Actually, let's solder these. Let's solder what I got. I just get the tip wet. You know what I mean? Shit. Nope. Not liking it. Not liking it at all. Alright, can we stop with the games? We just quit with these games and let's just get the solder on the hole. There we go. I think that's it. You know, you gotta be in contact with everything. You gotta get everything hot at the same time. You don't want to overheat one thing, mess it up. Especially don't overheat the PCB. Stuff will start falling apart. Fucking slippery bastard. Excuse me. Alright, that's good. Nah, no, it's too far up the thing. Like, just stay on the tip, bud. Nope. It's also me, I'm not very still right now. Why is it... shit. Let's get a little more comfortable and, like, working off the side. Maybe I should just get rid of the camera, because I'm not even, like, looking at it. Let's see. Oops, wrong thing. Is it better? No, are you kidding me? Is it better without the camera? Without that camera? Oh, I'm changing the wrong things. Shit. More appealing without it? You can still hear me talk, though, and be an idiot. Alright, there. Is that more on the tip? Holy shit, not really. Oh, well, we're gonna work with it. There we go. Just kind of keep giving it a rotation until I'm touching the PCB board, too. Alright, let's just get on with it. Oh. That's why I should be wearing glasses. Likes to squirt sometimes. Yeah, okay, cool. Ooh, that's That's good. That's good. Okay. Oh, this guy. Okay. Oh, oh no, not it. Wait. Not really. It's because he's all standing straight up and shit. I can't get a good angle on him. There we go. That's good. Okay, this guy. Wait, that's positive? I think he needed to be a negative. Right, that was from emitter to, yep, I want to, there's some signage on there. I want to maintain that. Right, because from emitter to ground, yes. And that's doing the same thing, yes. These angles are not hitting right now. That's better. Okay, I think that was all of them for now for this run. Turn that down for just a second. Let's move on back over here because I got a better, more comfortable over here in the design station as I named it. Alright, let's clean it up again and we'll transfer some more components. And then we'll do some tests afterwards to ensure that everything is still working properly. God willing. Bro, why is this thing magnetized? Oh, I didn't get him. Okay, cool. Alright. Let's just solder him real quick. Yeah, let's do it. Wait, let me see something for him now. Yeah, we still have to do the jumper cables. We should do those too. Let's do those too. These guys. That's too much. Where is that? Where are my jumper wires? Damn, did you hear that? Here we go. I'm mad. Oh man, this looks so much cleaner on here. Oh, see, that's clear. Oh, the soldering station is incredibly disappointing. The quality is just doo-doo. Alright, let's do this. What size? Is this enough? No, that's too much. What about this guy? Cause he's, that's ground. That's the input. Okay, maybe I want a little more. Like this, really. Okay, so from the collector to the far end. Like that. if it'll go. Ugh, shit, why you gotta be like that? Yeah, like that. Something like that. Bro, you fucking, like, it ain't that hard. Holy shit. I just don't want to go in the hole. Like, it ain't that hard. Nah, I don't like that because it looks like it's touching the other one. Alright, we're gonna use something longer. I like it. Yeah, this looks good. This is too long for sure, but it's good. It was actually kind of just perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay. Alright, cool. Give him a little space, right? Just give it a little space. Like that. That's good. That's dandy. We got him. That's there. Let me look up the pinout again just to ensure that I'm doing this right. And this one. Yeah, so 1 VCC ground output. Yep, that's how we got it. Okay. Perfect. Yep, fantastic. Okay. Alright, got that. Where were we? Okay, now we need to jump him to ground, and that's the output to our capacitor. That's perfect. Okay, and then he just needs to jump to ground, which will be the fastest route. Straight to there. Perfect. We could probably use another one of those green ones. Yeah. And that's ground. Yep, negative. Actually, could be less. Could be... What color was that? Not the black. I think it was a yellow. A small yellow. This one? Yeah, this one. There we go. Alright. And this is gonna go right here. Way in there. Like somewhere. Okay, now we got that connected. Emitter, our collectors, supply, straight to the positive. Okay. That's our feedback network. This capacitor from the collector to the feedback network. Let's keep it real short. Right, because that's going to be the input, yes. That's going to be the output to the feedback network, yes. Maybe I shouldn't do it like that though. Actually, I don't like that. Because it's a large component. Let's give it a little more space. Yeah. Is like that even good? Yeah, that's probably good though. Okay. Fantastic. That's a connection, the output to our feedback network. To there, then we can go, we're supplying him. Oh, that'll be great. Yeah. That'll be great. This is our inductor from the output to the, and then straight to there. Yeah, that'll be good. Wait, that's not the right spot though. Is he the right spot? He is. Wait, no, that is the right spot. That's the output. So yeah, like that. Like that. Then he would go. Yeah, it could be there. So like this. That's the, yeah, that's fully across. This one was the series. Here to here. In series with the inductor. And we're gonna take that shit. It's kind of looking messy though. I don't like it, you know. So maybe we should. Yeah, it's looking too messy. Everything's a little too close. I guess, yeah, that doesn't have to be there. This could be like that. Oh, wait. Shit. Yeah, wait, can't I just, I can just jump between these. There to ground, yeah. But not to the emitter, so. Yeah, and those two would both be connected to ground, exactly. So that. Get him all the way in there. It's almost like protection. That's cool. I like it. I'm gonna do it. Okay, that capacitor, and that's in series connected here. Well, no. Wait a second. No, to the base. It is true though. That would be directly connected. Yeah. No. They do go through a capacitor to the base. Oof, that is true. Okay, so like this. That's no back here. That's what it is. Like that. Okay. Yeah, and those two do connect to a capacitor to the base. An electrolytic capacitor to the base, tapped in between the inductor and the capacitor. C1 in our theory. Did I already curve those? Oh shit, I did. Sorry, I'm forgetting some things, but we're getting it. It's happening. Man, this motherfucker is impossible to get out. There. Okay, now from him to him. I wonder if I shouldn't have these components so close, though. Maybe this is going to cause noise. You know what I mean? Maybe I should have a little more space in between them. So, I guess, let me do it then. Let me do that. Let me have some more space. Not a lot, but just a little bit. And we'll start working our way towards it. Just a little bit. Okay, there to there. And then him to ground. I'll go like that. Him to ground. That's going to be the ground. That's going to connect that way. And then we have him from there to ground. Oh, these two. Right, because that's input and that's ground. Yeah, should be. Come on, pussy. Bro, are you kidding me? There. Yeah, straight to ground. Okay, and the inductor, okay. And then I'm gonna do capacitor over those two. Yeah, yep. And this guy, which is, yeah, the input's the positive to, that's the negative. Just like that. Shit, I don't really like it though. I gotta curve him more. Yeah, more like that to the base. Bang. Oh yeah, totally aesthetically pleasing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Totally aesthetically pleasing. Okay, I'm a solder guy. Let's do this one. Let's transfer this over here. Let me transition my camera into the... What the... No way. I bumped my solder in it. Oh, was it sleeping? Maybe it was sleeping. Yeah, because that wouldn't make any sense. 7:30. Yep, 7:30. 7:30, okay. Not there, but we want to go here. Bang! Okay. Back to the solder station. Oh no. Oh no, that's not good, guys. Shit. Oh, motherfucker. guess I fixed the problem. I don't know. Yeah, sure, let's do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, too much. What the? What the? I'm missing one of the leads on the potentiometer. Where is it? It's not coming through. What the? Did I do it? Oh, there it is. Holy smokes. It's just like super hard to see. But there it is. Okay. How's that? Is that okay? Decent? Looking like ass? Can't see it? Yeah, pretty much, right? Can't even see it. Aw, thanks. Did you just post that? It's in military time, 22? Oh, it's what, 10? Oh, 10, 11? Is that really? Where's my phone? Yeah, but what time is it currently? Oh yeah, you just posted that. My phone's dead. Shit. Cool, yeah, heck yeah. Yeah, it's pretty good, huh? It's just the focus. I mean, like, cool, I'm glad that I get to do all this cool stuff and the focus is trash. Fuck, like, it's really bad. Like, that's just awful. Ugh. It just focuses on the fucking shit behind it. Like, there's no way. Like, what is it even focused on right now? It focuses and then doesn't focus. Bro, what? What the what? This doesn't even make sense, bro. Like, what is happening? Oh, what is going on? Still not it, huh? Like, that's actually front and center. How? Like, what else can you do? Holy fuck, I'm just fucking hitting shit. Fucking hitting shit by moving my arms around. Like, I have no control. Holy fuck. Bro, what the fuck? How? It's going into focus and then not focusing. I'm about to fucking swap out the camera. I'm getting so pissed off. No, I was already zoomed all the way out. Like, yeah, I was already zoomed all the way out in the beginning and it wasn't fucking focused. How does it focus for 1 second? Like, what is it focusing on then? If it's not, like, it has to be focused on something, otherwise it's just what? It just doesn't work? Like, what's happening here? Holy shit, over and over again, it does it for a second. Dude, how? Trying to deactivate, then activate it. Oh my god. I can't believe this. That's okay. Oh, okay. It's just all it's capable of, or like what? It's all it's capable of, huh? Huh, wow. Unbelievable. Okay, alright, I'm fucking sick of this. Way too much time doing all that. I'm gonna put this back on. Okay, way too much time doing that. That is so ridiculous. Alright. Now my stream's no longer kid friendly because I got rage baited. Hopefully everything on here is in the correct orientation, connected to the correct places, because if not, I might fucking lose it. Alright, let's snip a couple things. I don't got enough room. I'm sure it is all connected properly. It all look good to me. Okay. These can go. Oh, you can't see none of this. Not those. Okay. Yeah. Just a couple more things to solder. I like to be on the right side. I like to solder from the right. You know, it feels a lot better, a lot more comfortable. I can get a good contact on there. It's just, you know, it's just right, man. When it's right, it's right. Look at that. Gorgeous. Hit the tip, you know what I mean? Then just lay it on there. Smooth. One motion. Like a home run. Okay, did I hit? No, there's one more thing right there. Is that one more though? Is that it? Come on. Nice. I got one more thing right. Is that one more though? Is that the last one actually this time? One more thing right here. There we go. Was that even enough? Shit. Yeah, that's good. That's good. That'll do. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. Alright, let's switch on over here where we got a better feel. And do some trimming. Shit, I missed one. Okay, of course. Well, how much more do we have on our circuit? Oh, nothing? Just the power? Oh. Cool. Clean this up. It's all looking pretty clean. Hell yeah. You see that? It's a little difficult to see still, but looking pretty good. Most complex circuit I've built to date. Okay, this is the Colpitts oscillator. Power stage here. We got our input here, so that'll be perfect. And we should put some wires to check for to record our output. What time is that? 22:26. Thanks. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Clean. Hey yo. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you. Thank you. Hell yeah, I'm glad you think so. I'm glad you like it. Let's go. That's what we do out here, guys. We're doing top-notch aesthetic electrical engineering, you know what I mean? Not just functionality, practicality, but also aesthetically pleasing. Like to see it, like to take pride in the work. Okay. We got him up. Cool. Alright, cool. And now from our previous design, we added a potentiometer. This will allow us to adjust our gain. And so, like, I got a range of a range for our output of 1.5 volts approximately to approximately 6 volts output. So, be sick. And we'll see. That was our measurements while we were still in the breadboard. So let's see how, or if at all, that our our measurements change by putting our circuit on a PCB, right? So, all right, let's solder this last bit here, and then I think all connections are good. I guess we could just double check everything that's to the input. Everything looks good. Shit, I say let's just run it up. I'm gonna have to add some outputs somewhere we could check the output. I should probably make it a longer wire too for whenever I want to. I want to feed a circuit. Okay. Cool. That is sick. Heck yeah. That does look great. Try to get a better view on him. Super cool. Oh, it's the toms. What is with this not focusing? This is just like ridiculous. Bro, why it just always focuses for a millisecond, if even. And then nothing. Like, why can't you just focus? It wants to. Like, come on, little guy, just focus. It wants to. Come on. Just focus up, little guy. Oh my god, I'm gonna scrap my whole setup. I'm gonna throw everything away. I'm being rage baited by fucking focus, by the quality. It's like, it looks like 470 pixels with no focus. This is just, this is unacceptable. I mean, are you kidding me? I need absolute best quality. I can't fucking stand that shit. Just don't fucking do it. Look at that. Oh, focus for a second. Sure, bud. Why don't you learn how to do your job? Is it like too much light? Like, seriously? What's going on here? It's literally just incapable. Oh my god. so spikes my cortisol. Like, that's one of the most fucking aggravating things ever. There's a couple other things. Oh yeah, I still had to jump him to ground, didn't I? Yeah, I still had to jump him to ground. Oh no, I did that. Okay, and then as far as connecting those two grounds, yeah, we should do that through there. As short of paths as possible. Let's do that right now. White, I could use that. We use shorter too, though. These greens will work. I got a lot of them. Where are we at right now? Okay. I got lots of these greens. This will work. Gonna need another set. I just gotta connect the two positives and negatives for these traces that run this way. Yeah, let's maintain. No, nah, this is better for the center ones. I'll keep them in the same row. Or man, it depends on how you look at it. Okay, I got these two. Okay, so now we have what? Negative on the left. Okay, that's the same for both. So like this. And like this. Oh yeah, okay, negative on the left, positive on the right, positive, positive, positive on the right. All right. Wait, right? Yeah, positive on the right. Looks good. Okay, cool. All right, cool. Now we ran those across because I want the shortest path possible, right? I don't want to waste any more. I don't want to add any more impedance or resistance through wires. Also, they carry like inductance. You know, all of these things are. They alter, you know, the parameters of our circuit. So I want to minimize those as much as possible. But it seems to be okay. Like, it's not going to be a huge deal. There are other parameters in the circuit which overwhelm those, and so, you know, this is why we can neglect them and not acknowledge them in our theory. And so that's the case for the most part, right? Okay, so now we have that. And I grounded him. He's good. Supplied. That's good. We have those there, bang, there, connected. And now we just want output wires. That's it. And again, the length of the wire. I guess we'll start with longer. Longer is better. And then, you know, we could always, because we want our, our wires, our output wires to be impedance matched. And I think the way to do this would essentially be to cut it to the perfect length. So that's something we can do later, though. But if we have a bunch of wire, then we can trim it down and impedance match it with the circuit. So that'd be great. And we want to take him at the collector after the capacitor. So what? This is our output here. Jeez, is that that's not the last hole. could be done. I'm just wondering if maybe I should extend this output to 1 row. Because I don't want to be like not able to tap it again. Not be able to tap the output again. So let's do that. Let's extend it 1 row. I think would this be enough? Very, very, very difficult there. For whatever reason, I don't want to completely lose everything. Holy fudge, sickles. There, that's what I want. It's exactly like that. Okay. Let's do it. Let's solder that bit up. Totally ready to solder that bit up. Transition, bang. Okay. Back to shitty quality. We can't focus. Our cameras aren't capable of focusing here. It is what it is. I guess we're gonna settle for shit. But we're gonna have to send an email to customer support at I forgot what these cameras are. Okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Okay, beautiful. Clean it. Wet the tip. Cool. Cool. Alright, move on. Cool, give it a little rotation. Touch the PCB ring and the terminal of the element. Bang. These are all way too close together. I'm going to have to do something about that. Bang. He is a little close, but maybe I'll be alright. Bang. Oh, that wasn't really enough. Whatever, okay. Whoops. Okay. Give it a little rotation, bang. Perfect, beautiful. Best I've ever seen, and I've only seen it once. Alright. Let's clean this up a little bit. And then we can solder the remaining terminals. Oh, you can't see this right now. Let me transition. Bang. Alright, those two. Oh, and I got him. Let's try to remember him too. Alright, cool. Ooh, isn't that transition so good? Like, look at this setup right now, you guys. Come on. Quit fucking playing with me. Are you kidding? Where's all my viewers at? Come on, you guys. Get up in here. You know what I'm talking about? We're getting it done. Alright, we're putting lead on the PC. No, wait, no lead solder. We're soldering the PCB board, and we're about to run this Colpitts oscillator and measure it with our oscilloscope. You know, we could throw the multimeter on there if we desire to. Shit. And then what? And then we're going to run it through a buffer stage, right, to essentially decouple it, right, so that we don't affect with any exterior impedances or like a load circuit, we don't affect the operation point of our 2N3904 transistor. Amazing. Thank you. I'm feeling it. And then after the buffer, we're going to add a Schmitz trigger, which is going to convert it into our sine wave into a square wave. It's just going to work well. And then we can, I don't know what we're going to do from there, but that's like the next step. Okay. Oh yeah, and this guy. Wow, I'm honestly so happy with all of these solders. All of them are pretty perfect. Oh, I didn't, wait a second, I didn't add my, oh yeah, I added him, but I didn't add the output. So let's just solder him real quick. Solder the output. More, I think. Don't really look like enough. Yeah, it looks good. Alright. Well, shit, I think that's it. Alright, yeah, I genuinely think that's it. Oh, it's so much cleaner. I really hate that these are on the bottom, though. I should totally move them to the top. Who did that? I did that? Why would I do that? I can't believe I'd put those on the bottom. Yeah, too much light now. Let me fix this. But it was really looking like trash before, too. Video capture. Turn down the exposure. That's what it is. Too much. Right there is good. That was way better. Alright, cool. Oh, the exposure on this guy's low too. Let's turn him up. No? Maybe not the exposure then. We'll keep that. Maybe the brightness. Kinda. Yeah, like that. Alright, let me do something different with these components. Oh yeah, and about that, that's fine. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, we still need this guy. We can take out all of this. All of that can go. Alright, well, this is like the moment of truth. So let's see what happens. Make this real nice and clean so we can get a good look at it. Okay, cool. That's our negative. That's a positive supply. I don't know what's wrong with these guys. They're like, I don't know. This wire is weird. It really wants to do whatever. Like, just does what it wants. I don't know. It's a weird wire. Okay, that's connected. Those two aren't connected. Why? I think I moved him over. Let's move him back. Must have been my mistake. And then he goes here. Okay. Oh, you asshole. Just like what? Okay, sure, that's fine. That's good. That's connected. That's grounded. Okay, this is not connected. There, now it's good. That's good. Beautiful. And then that's our supply. This is going to connect here. What's again? That's positive, negative, positive. I don't really like that either. Oh, well, I guess actually, that's not really. It's not bad at all. These two wires aren't the same length though. That's gonna piss me off. Let's fix that right now. Okay, there. Well, can you see that? You can't see that. You've seen some of that too. Shit. These wires are too long, you know what I mean? But I guess yeah, we could pretty much just go like that. Positive, yep, on the right like that. Positive, negative. Okay, cool. Can you see that? You can see that. All right, cool. And can we can see that too now. Perfect. Okay, this is going to be connected to our output, and then we're going to be grounded, which wait, that's positive, that's negative. Yeah, we can connect to him, I suppose. These long wires might be a bad idea. Right, and that is ground on the left there. Yes. Oof. Yeah, nah, that's fine. That's fine. Worried about, kind of worried with the long wires, I don't want them to have too much of an amplification as an antenna. God willing that they don't. I think we're ready to turn it on and test it. What, is that literally everything hooked up? How's that look? You can see that well? See the, I can't really see the circuit too well. Jeez. I barely move my hand and I hit stuff and it goes fucking flying. Like I barely move my hand. Like what's happening here? Okay, currently no reading. Yeah, right. It's kind of jumping. I guess let's do it. Is everything really connected right? Oh my gosh. Oh fuck. I got nothing. What the fuck? Maybe my potentiometer is too low. Oh fuck. Why do I have nothing? Oh. Ooh. No. That doesn't matter. Plus, yeah, those could be way shortened. But anyways. Shit. Let's see. Might just be my potentiometer is too low. Let's see. Fuck. You know what? I might have fucking melted it. Yeah, melted? Oh man. I might have melted it. That tends to happen with these. You think so? It doesn't seem like it. Bro, no way. Well, sure isn't working. That's not cool. That's not cool at all. Let me make sure I'm testing right. Well, I mean, there it is. Okay, I guess that's not soldered. Shit, let's see. Hopefully that's why. Let's see. Hopefully that's why. Oh, you guys were on this view too the whole time? Oh, okay. That's awesome. Holy shit, you guys. I'm a rookie. I'm a huge rookie. Working on it. Huge freaking rookie. Holy shit. Okay, let's hope that this is it. Just 7:30, bud. Same time, same as always. 7:30, bud. I don't know. Hopefully it was just that there wasn't a full complete connection there. Oh man. Maybe these wires are too long. I feel like that definitely could be a problem. That's good. That's fully connected, right? That was concerning me before, but it looks good now. That's good. Fully connected. Connected. Alright, that's my positive. Negative. Okay. Huh. Nope. Still nothing. Incredible. Cool. Well, soldered everything for it not to work. So that's tight.